500 important English sentences.
She's been developing her leadership skills. The company has been expanding its global presence. I'm pleased with the outcome of the negotiations. He's been working on his public speaking skills. The project has been a great success. I'm grateful for the opportunity to work on this project. She's been playing a crucial role in the project. The product has been well received by customers. I'm looking forward to the next challenge. He's been managing the team effectively. The event has been a highlight of the year. I'm committed to delivering high-quality results. She's been working on a new design concept. The company has been expanding its product line. I'm excited about the new opportunities this presents. He's been working on improving his time management. The project has been a collaborative effort. She's been a driving force behind the project's success. The product has been praised for its innovation. I'd appreciate it if you could send me the report by the end of the day. If I had known about the meeting earlier, I would have prepared differently. Despite facing numerous challenges, the team managed to complete the project on time. While I agree with most of your points, I still have some reservations. Had it not been for her quick thinking, the situation could have been much worse. Although the weather was terrible, we decided to go ahead with the outdoor event. I was surprised that they chose her for the role, considering her lack of experience. Even though the project was demanding, it was incredibly rewarding to see the final result. Provided that everything goes according to plan, we should finish by the deadline. If you had told me earlier, I could have made arrangements to accommodate you. It's crucial to have a backup plan in case things don't go as expected. I'd rather you didn't mention this to anyone else until we've confirmed the details. Assuming that the data is accurate, we should be able to make informed decisions. If it hadn't been for the support of my colleagues, I might not have succeeded. Despite the initial setbacks, the project turned out to be a success. It would be wise to consider all possible outcomes before making a decision. I was under the impression that the meeting was scheduled for next week, not today. If we had more time, we could explore additional options. Provided that the weather is good, we'll hold the event outdoors. If you happen to see her, could you ask her to call me? It's essential to keep everyone informed about any changes to the schedule. Although it's a challenging task, I'm confident we can accomplish it. If we hadn't acted quickly, the situation could have escalated. I'd appreciate your input on the matter before we make a final decision. Should you require any assistance, please don't hesitate to ask. It's important to weigh the pros and cons before proceeding. If I were in your position, I would consider a different approach. Assuming that the project is approved, we'll begin the next phase immediately. I'm inclined to agree with you, although there are some factors to consider. If it weren't for the time constraints, we could have explored more options. It's vital to address any issues as soon as they arise to avoid complications.